I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting core pieces you already own or can buy quickly. Focus on a top, bottom, footwear, and one statement accessory. Once done, lock a 2-3 color palette so pieces coordinate. Make sure to sort by silhouette, fitted versus flowing versus layered, because balance defines the look at a glance. Pick one item to be the focal point, then plan supporting elements. This first step gets you from blank screen to a clear direction fast. You now assemble layers and refine proportions to create depth and movement. Start with one functional layer, jacket, scarf, or vest, then add a small decorative layer like a brooch or saddle blanket. Make sure textures contrast, for example leather against lace or metallic accents. Once layered, step back and adjust lengths and scale. Crop a top, raise boot height, or shrink an accessory until the silhouette reads clearly. This stage turns basic. You finish by testing and finalizing. View the outfit in different lighting and poses, then save a primary and 2 alternates. If an item clashes, swap just one piece, often the accessory or shoe, and reduce its color presence to 10–20%. This small change fixes most clashes. Once satisfied, create labeled presets for daytime, evening, and themed looks. Troubleshooting tip: if the outfit still feels off, mute all accessories and add them back one by one to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.